Hello everyone, a very good morning from Naha International Airport in Okinawa. Today is the 10th of March 2025 and today I'll be flying back to Hong Kong with hkexpress UO821, estimated departure time at 11:55 a.m. local time. Today's flight will be operated by an A321neo. So it's also my first time flying the A321neo of hkexpress. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I just finished check-in. So apparently, given that I bought the light ticket with no check-in luggage, they counted 7 kg for your carry-on plus for your small item that can be placed underneath the seat. So I ended up paying 11,000 yen, which is 600 HKD for luggage, given that I have my camera. So in total, backpack plus my carry-on was like 11 kg. So yeah. The aircraft for today is an Airbus A321neo with the registration of B-KKA, delivered to hkexpress in March 2023, and this aircraft is a configuration of all economy class with 236 seats. So I am currently at the rear lavatory of the A321neo. This is at the back of the aircraft, literally at the tail end. So it's a bit narrow. You see the headroom is a bit sacrificed over here given the shape of the fuselage. Very tiny sink. Yeah, that's all quite simple but still very clean. This is the seat. This is actually way better than the 320neo or the 321co. It has a taller back of the seat. They have an extra advertisement here. Very tiny tray table. Legroom, of course, LCC configuration. We have a safety instruction card, the shop, and the menu. Seems no air sickness pack. Oh, there is an air sickness pack.
My colleague flight tech, and looking out for the cabin seat first from the meantime, we'd like to welcome you aboard this Hong Express flight back to Hong Kong. We are ready to go now, just waiting for our pushback clearance, so we can get you our way for an early departure, very early departure. Our flight time today, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and expected quite smooth conditions on route. However, as always, when you are seeing it, please keep it across faster in case of any unforeseen turbulence. Weather in Hong Kong showing fine conditions for our arrival, with light easterly breeze and temperature of 23 degrees. In a moment, to be shown a brief safety demonstration, and we ask you patience.
hkexpress 航班 UO821 前往香港，呢班係同國泰航空嘅聯營航班，預計今日飛行時間係2小時30分鐘。希望你同我哋一樣享受今日嘅飛行旅程。And another captain, Daniel Wong, we would like to extend a warm welcome aboard this hkexpress flight UO821 to Hong Kong. This is a code-share service with Cathay Pacific Airways. Our flight time today will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed. If any electronic devices become trapped into the seat, please ask our crew to help you. 請將電調快關掉或調校到飛行模式。呢艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果有任何電子產品攝在座位裏面，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件嘅物件放喺前嘅座位下。This is a non-smoking place. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere exceeds a
disembarkation in Hong Kong at 1:35 in the afternoon, which I'm glad to say is 20 minutes ahead of schedule. Hong Kong is 1 hour behind Okinawa. If you'd like to reset your watches, current time now.
大家好，我哋嘅航班即將抵達香港，而家你哋購買嘅水上物嘅最後機會，假如係重心水上物，請盡快聯絡我哋嘅業主，有需要可與航程公道向海關人員索取申報表。香港法例嚴禁進口另外吸煙產品，包括電子煙、加熱煙產品同咗換煙。違例嘅最高刑罰係監禁7年及罰款港幣200萬元。另外，如果你落嚟。離開機艙嘅時候，記住攞齊所有隨身行李，同埋請小心留意機艙門與接駁橋之間嘅空隙。感謝你選乘 hkexpress， 希望我哋好快可以下個旅程再同你見。The local time is now 17 minutes past 1 in the afternoon, and we have arrived ahead of the scheduled time. Please remain in your seat until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as baggage could fall out. When leaving the aircraft,
So we have just arrived at Hong Kong International Airport. Flight was ahead of schedule, so we arrived technically like 20 to 30 minutes ahead of schedule. Flight itself was not too full, but still quite good occupancy rate, above 60%. Meal was okay. Technically it's similar to a 7-Eleven meal. But the takeaway from this flight, one, their 321neos are equipped with better seats than the 321ceos or the 320neos. And secondly, please do pay attention with your carry-on luggage. especially if you are departing from outstation outside of Hong Kong. The contractor ground staff are just doing their job. I'm not complaining. It's still quite a good deal for this overall trip. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.